Come test drive this 2013 Toyota Avalon. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, and power seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.